2024 Ford Mustang Convertible. Price range, $41,945 to $51,515. For generations the Mustang has provided accessible performance, iconic styling and practicality at a reasonable price. Now in its 7th generation, the Mustang continues to appeal to a broad range of buyers. Though its 5.0-liter V8 might be the easy choice, the EcoBoost turbocharged 4-cylinder helps keep the price down and can still be a lot of fun. A much-needed new infotainment system transforms the interior and should help keep the Mustang looking and feeling current for years to come. Pros: high-tech interior displays are fast-acting and easy to read. All engines offer strong acceleration. Rear seats and larger trunk offer greater practicality than rivals. Cons: not a significant increase in performance. Interior fit and finish can feel downmarket. Desirable options add quite a bit to the price. What's new? New interior with larger screens and a more modern layout. Updated exterior styling with all new body panels except the roof and front pillars. Dark Horse version features additional chassis tuning and 500 horsepower V8. Kicks off the 7th Mustang generation. Overview. The redesigned 2024 Ford Mustang introduces the 7th generation of the pony car, though much of the previous Mustang's DNA is still present. The new car rides on the same platform and uses the same engines, all with slight modifications, meaning that the new Mustang drives similarly to the outgoing model. Ford says that all of the 2024 Mustang's bodywork is new, save for the front pillars and roof, but the overall impression is one of many slight tweaks to the Mustang's current formula, albeit with more extreme lines. There's also a new high-performance Dark Horse model that combines elements of the much-loved GT350 and GT500 models but with added civility and comfort. Cost to drive estimates for the 2024 Ford Mustang EcoBoost Premium 2DR Convertible, 2.3L 4-cylinder Turbo 10A, and comparison vehicles are based on 15,000 miles per year, with a mix of 55% city and 45% highway driving, and energy estimates of $4.27 per gallon for premium unleaded in North Dakota. Monthly estimates based on costs in North Dakota. $198 per MO for Mustang EcoBoost Premium. Mustang EcoBoost Premium. EcoBoost Premium 2DR Convertible, 2.3L 4-cylinder Turbo 10A, $41,945 MSRP. Versus $181 per MO, average, mid-size car. Calculate my fuel costs. Edmunds Spotlight, improved interior tech. This new generation Mustang ushers out the more traditional analog dashboard layout and replaces it with a fully digital setup. Its appearance is polarizing, but the improvement in functionality and overall modernity cannot be disputed. The digital instrument panel has multiple configurations and displays far more information than previous iterations ever could. The same goes for the new, and much larger, 13.2-inch infotainment screen. It's easier to read, quicker to react, and much more comprehensive than anything ever offered in a Mustang. Competitors to consider. While you might still be able to pick up a Dodge Challenger or a Chevrolet Camaro from a dealership, it's a sad fact that both of these long-term rivals will soon be out of production. That doesn't leave much in the way of direct competition, but the BMW 2 Series, Toyota GR Supra and Nissan Z 2024 Ford Mustang Convertible. Price range, $41,945 to $51,515. For generations the Mustang has provided accessible performance, iconic styling and practicality at a reasonable price. Now in its 7th generation, the Mustang continues to appeal to a broad range of buyers. Though its 5.0-liter V8 might be the easy choice, the EcoBoost turbocharged 4-cylinder